Welcome to Full Steam Ahead. I'm Amanda, a children's librarian at Woodstock Public Library. Today for Full Steam Ahead, we are making super bouncy balls. Using only 3 ingredients, plus an optional glittery addition, this fun activity will have you bouncing with joy. Let's get started. To make your own super bouncy balls, you will need 1 tablespoon of borax, half a cup of warm water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of clear glue, a mixing bowl, a tablespoon, and optional glitter and disposable gloves. First, we need to make our borax solution. Stir together half a cup of warm water with 1 tablespoon of borax until it's completely dissolved. Diluting the borax before we make our bouncy balls ensures it will be safe to use. It's probably best to have a grown-up do this step. Next, pour your desired amount of glue into the bowl of borax solution. The more glue you use, the bigger the bouncy ball. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of glue. I'm adding glitter to the mix as well, but this is completely optional. As soon as the glue hits the borax solution, it will start to harden. Gently squeeze and squish the glue ball until it is no longer sticky. Then remove your glue ball from the borax solution and roll between your hands to make a ball shape. When the glue is added to the borax creates cross-linked polymers by hooking the glue's molecules together to form the rubbery bouncy ball. And they really will bounce. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, myWPL, for other videos for kids and adults, including more Full Steam Ahead. Thanks for watching.